Located on the border of Monterey and Pacific Grove, Monterey Bay Aquarium is known for its focus on the local marine habitats of Monterey Bay as well as its extensive kelp forest exhibit, which was the first of its kind when it opened in 1984. Featuring festive events, daily feeding shows, and a variety of hands-on discovery tours throughout the year, the Monterey Bay Aquarium is a must-see in the area if you're a fan of aquatic life and all things ocean conservation. Nearby, historic Cannery Row is so named for the number of now-defunct sardine canning factories that dot this stretch of oceanfront road. A famous haunt for Pulitzer Prize-winning author John Steinbeck, it's now a major lodging, dining, and shopping destination home to a number of unique and locally owned stores, cafes, bed and breakfasts as well as a handful of popular nightlife venues. Stop by the American Tin Cannery, a spacious indoor retail and entertainment center that once served as a sardine cannery, for a variety of local and brand-name shops, restaurants, and family attractions like Blacklight Miniature Golf. Other notable stores at Cannery Row include Candy World, Blue Fox Cellars, Ethan Walsh Paintings, and the International Bazaar Monterey.